Hello, greetings. Have a good Friday. That is primary. If you are following this clip, you may be wondering what is there in the background. There are a combination of two greatest musicians of all times. Guess them, enjoy the music, and if you like to listen to what I am going to tell, what I am going to observe, and put it for your benefit. Xenograft, Xenograft. You might have heard about kidney transplantation. You also have heard about liver transplantation. Now this xenograft is a model which is entirely different from the present practices, which is called the allograft, a human-to-human transplantation of kidneys, of heart, of liver. Then there is another one called the autograft. You take something from your own body. For example, the venous saphenous veins are taken out of the individual and is stitched into the diseased heart arteries. Now this xenograft is something of a novel idea. What happens is that we take some animal, usually pig, sugar. Do you take pork ribs? That ribs, now it is made into something which does not have any immunity. It is grown like that. And the organ of this, when it grows up, is taken out as necessary and it is put back, it is stitched into the human body wherever it is required. Recently, there were some reports regarding the failure after 2 months of this kind of practice. A heart, dil, taken out from the pig, is put into human being's heart, a person's heart, an individual's heart, but is survived only 2 months. Now recently there are reports of this being used widely for esophageal or यो हाम्रो खानेको नली हुन्छ नि, esophageal cancers, okay, to replace the diseased or the removed organs, mainly due to which got disease due to neoplasm or cancer. And this xenograft from a pig is done in that, and also kidneys. Now kidneys are most important organs. We do transplantation of kidney in Nepal now. We also do widely in India. But in other countries where there is lot of strong rules and regulations, ethical practices, one needs to wait 16 years on an average. One is waiting. A person is diseased, his kidney disease, but he has to wait 16 years because his name will be put on the roll, put in the queue. He has to wait 16 years. So this xenograft is something of a novel idea which will help these people. Recently there was a report, it was done in the USA. Kidney from a pig which was reared, grown without immunity, was transplanted to a human being. We are still waiting for the result. And we are also now type 2 diabetes, which requires our pancreas to secrete insulin, and insulin is deficient. So it is also done, the xenograft again from the pig's pancreas to the beta cells of the pancreas islet of Langerhans is also being done. The results are not very either way. They are kind of equivocal. We are doing that also. Now this is about xenograft. Listen to the music in the background. Read more about it. Also remember now, if your bone is deficient, now ready-made bone alternatives